One summer, a crocodile tried to find a new pond because the pond he used to live in had dried up. After a while, the crocodile met an old man who was driving an ox cart. The crocodile asked the old man for a ride to find a pond. The old man pitied the crocodile, so he agreed to help. Afraid that he could fall, the crocodile asked the old man to tie him to the cart. The old man did as told. Arriving at a big pond, the old man untied the rope to let the crocodile into the pond. The crocodile was ungrateful and wanted to eat the old man's cows. The crocodile said, "You tied me up so tight that it hurts me, so you have to give me your cows." "You told me to tie you to the cart because you were afraid you could fall, and now you're accusing me of hurting you?" The old man refused and explained. "Don't argue with me. I will eat your cows," the crocodile replied. Feeling unfair and scared, the old man went to ask for help from the wise rabbit. Understood the whole story, the rabbit agreed to help. When the rabbit met the crocodile, he said, "In order to find out who is right and who's wrong, please let the old man tie you up again." The crocodile crawled up to the cart and let the old man tie him up again. "Tighter!" the crocodile shouted. The crocodile ordered the old man to tie him up so tight that he could not move. Seeing that the crocodile could not move, the rabbit told the old man, "You should not care about this ungrateful crocodile. Just leave it here under the sun." The old man agreed with the rabbit's advice and returned to his home peacefully. What goes around comes around. Be grateful to those who help us by doing good in return, the wise rabbit advised the crocodile, and then returned to his home. The end.